Potassium dichromate. Structure, shape, its use in titration, oxidizing nature in acidic, basic, neutral medium, use in redox titration. Thus, these are the portion regarding potassium dichromate. As in potassium permanganate, no specific reactions for acidic, basic or neutral is given. Therefore, maximum examples for each section to be followed what is given in the textbook. Structure and shape. The dichromate ion consists of two tetrahedra sharing one corner with the chromium oxygen chromium bond. Angle 126. Thus it possesses chromium oxygen chromium linkage. This is chromium oxygen chromium linkage and the angle is 126 degree. This is one tetrahedra and the other one is this tetrahedra. And this is a dichromate ion. Now next is, this is the structure. Now oxidizing nature in acidic. Acidified potassium dichromate produces nascent oxygen, potassium sulfate, chromium sulfate and water. This nascent oxygen oxidizes a number of compounds. Therefore, let us take the first one as an example. Acidified potassium iodide to iodine. In order to write this equation, write two steps. First one, liberation of nascent oxygen. Second, making use of the nascent oxygen and cancelling the nascent oxygen and adding the two equations. Equation number 1. Acidified potassium dichromate gives potassium sulfate, chromium sulfate, water and nascent oxygen. Write the equation and balance it. 2. Potassium iodide, that is acidified with sulfuric acid. Use sulfuric acid is also as a reactant. Then both react and forms, both will react along with the nascent oxygen. That is potassium iodide plus sulfuric acid plus nascent oxygen forms potassium sulfate, iodine and water. Cancel the nascent oxygen and add the two equations. This is first example. Like that, there are other 5 examples are given. Please try to do it and find out the balanced equation and check the answers, what is given in the text. 2. Oxidizes ferrous to ferric salt. 3. Sodium sulfide to sodium sulfate. 4. Hydrogen sulfide to sulfur. Fifth one, oxidizes arsenite. You may not know the formula, therefore write the formula as sodium arsenite, formula Na3SO3. To arsenate means Na3SO4. Last one, oxidizes ethyl alcohol to acetaldehyde and water. Write balanced equations for all these reactions. In neutral medium, potassium dichromate in presence of water gives potassium hydroxide, chromium hydroxide and nascent oxygen. This nascent oxygen is used as in the earlier case for the oxidation of a number of compounds. Now, uses in redox titration. In the estimation of Fe2 plus ions, I minus ions, this potassium dichromate is used in volumetric analysis.